What are you doing? Looking for sound effects. Sound effects. I'm just looking for something to make my videos go. Whoa! Oh, you mean like... That's it! That's the one! Come on, newbie. I'll show you how it's done. What's up, guys? It's Kyle here. Today I'm going to show you the best places to find sound effects for free. Alright, first up on the list is Sound Bible. They have a pretty straightforward terms of use. You just have to give credit to the person who recorded the sound effect. You can use it in commercials, YouTube videos, pretty much anything you want. They even have a handy sidebar that tells you what the license is. You can use it for pretty much anything you want, just don't be a jerk and go out and sell it as your own. Next on the list, Zapsplat. Along with having the coolest name, it has a pretty simple license as well. You can use it for pretty much anything you want. All you have to do is just credit the website somewhere. If you're too lazy to credit the website, well, they have a plan for around $8 USD a month, and you never have to give them credit for anything, as long as you live. Bonus for this site, they also have some music, which is pretty handy. Next up, Gator. This one too requires a membership. It's free, of course. The terms of use are the same as the rest of them. You can use it for pretty much anything. After digging through their user agreement, I've pretty much found that you don't even have to credit them. All you have to do is log in, download, and away you go. You can even download their entire site. Well, but you wouldn't do that, would you? Next up, Davinci Resolve. Yes, that's right, Davinci Resolve. If you don't have an editor, a full-fledged editor, you might want to try out Davinci Resolve. Not only is it super good with editing videos, it also has the sound effects. All you have to do is go up, click on the little icon that says Sound Library, type in what you want. They don't have a super exhaustive list of stuff, but if you're looking for something simple, you might find it there. Now we go to YouTube. Yes, YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube and you're not uploading content, what are you doing? You're already making videos. Whether you want sound effects or alerts or whatever, just make some videos. Go up to the Creator Studio, scroll down to Audio Library, and right next to music, there are sound effects. All sorts of sound effects. Nice whoosh sound effects. You even have pants whoosh. If you ever need pants swooshing, for whatever reason, you got that. You can have pants whooshing. Last, but certainly not least, one of my favorites is OBS. Now, while there are no sound effects in OBS, you can have this handy feature called Screen Record, which allows you to, well, record your screen. As long as you have the proper setup for web page and the audio, as soon as you click record, you can get, well, sound effects, music, and video from anywhere you want on your computer. Now, fair bit of warning though, since you don't know where you're getting the stuff from, you probably don't know what the license is, probably better steer clear of just grabbing everything you can find. All you have to do is click record and go up into your settings, under recording, under output and recording, and it'll show you where it's putting those nice little videos you're recording. That's it for the video, guys. Go do some dabbling of your own. No, that's definitely not what I said. Please stop. Please. I'll be back.